2 years ago, the Dobbs Decision stripped abortion rights from the citizens of our country. Following this decision, there were 14 states that chose to outright ban abortion, and 5 of those 14 states made exceptions for rape. Well, since that decision was made, there have been 65,000 rape-related pregnancies in those states. Yes, you heard that correctly. In the short year and a half, there have been 65,000 rape-related pregnancies in those 14 states. A recent study by JAMA International found out that most of these pregnancies are forced to be carried out, despite the fact that we know most women, if given the chance in this case, would request an abortion. That implies that in these 14 states, in a short amount of time, there have been tens of thousands of victims of a heinous crime who do not get access to the healthcare that they need to take care of themselves. Tens of thousands of victims who are forced to relive their trauma day in and day out because of the choices of a few white men. And for those of you who are saying, well, aren't there laws that have carve-outs for this? There are a plethora of reasons as to why the women who live in these states with these carve-outs still cannot get access to the healthcare that they need. For example, in those 5 states with a carve-out, you need to file a police report. And since we know that less than 2% of acquaintance rape victims report the assault, and less than 1/5 of women raped by strangers report the assault, we can assume that a majority of these cases are going unreported, and a majority of these women are not getting the healthcare they deserve. This results in only about 10 or less legal abortions being carried out per month, when the number should be in the thousands. Republicans are making it clear that their policies are an all-out war against these people, a move to keep them subservient at home and under man's control. Laws like this are a MAGA incel's dream that revert women to property and vessels for childbirth only that have no say in their bodily autonomy. No matter how you identify, the fact that this is happening to anybody should horrify you, and it will affect you down the road. Start paying attention, start getting active, and start getting everybody you know to get involved, because we need to do what we can to make sure that the fools who create laws like this never get in power.